Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a bit different since I've started my lip gloss cosmetic business for a few months now. I just thought I'd show how I do certain products in case anyone else wanted to try or even wanted to do some DIYs themselves. Okay, so always start by disinfecting your workstation first using antibacterial wipes, and then wash your hands and put gloves on. I didn't have that on camera, but that's what I did eventually. So I'm just gonna use this little cup to add in my mixtures. I like to start with my oils first, so I'm just adding fractionated coconut oil, not the regular hard type because you don't want your products to get hard, and grapeseed oil. And then you're gonna see in the next shot I'm gonna be adding vitamin E oil as well. I did insert a little clip of writing just so you can see the benefits of each oil that I'm using, so you can know also why I'm using it. You can also use different oils that you want or that you have done research on, but these are the oils that I prefer to use. I always use vitamin E oil in any product that I'm using that is oil based, because vitamin E oil is also a protecting agent, so it helps your products to last longer. I also use this natural preservative so it keeps mold and bacteria from growing in your products, because you know we want safe products out there when we're sending it to people. We don't want them to just be using products just because. We want to give safe products that are also harmless and very good for your skin and your lips. So right now I'm just mixing the oils together, and you can see a few of the drops falling everywhere. Okay, so now moving on to the solid part. Now we're gonna use pure cane, not fractionated, granulated sugar, which is what we use as the exfoliant, because you know you need something to scrub with. It's not a lip scrub if you do not have an exfoliant. You can also research on different types of exfoliants that you can use in your products, but I prefer, or I like to use sugar right now. I may move on to different products in the future, but right now this is just what I use. Okay, so after adding your sugar in, we're just gonna go and take our oils and just start by little. Don't drop the whole thing in there. Just start by using very little amounts and then mix them, because you don't want your sugar to be too oily. You want the right consistency, which is more of a grainy type where it almost look a bit choppy. Not in a bad way though. Just, I don't know how to describe it, but you can see what I'm doing here. I'm even gonna add more oils in too, but just make sure you don't add too much at once so you can control how your scrub comes out. Okay, so since I'm just mixing sugar right now, anyone who's watching this, you guys can always let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me in the future. Do you want more business related videos, or do you prefer other videos that I've been doing like the hauls? And I've kind of been just doing random videos right now, but this is what I do on a daily basis, creating products for my business. I create lip gloss, scrubs. I've even purchased products, and I'm starting to create lip masks for overnight. So just let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see from me in the future. And also my business name is vivicosmetics.com. If anyone like any products that they see there and you want to purchase any, I would love it and super appreciate it. So right now I just added the colorant oils. I got these from Amazon, so I'm gonna leave the links below too, most likely. And I got the strawberry wiki. I have a few, but this is what I'm using right now because I'm doing a pink scrub. And this right here is a TKB Trading pink colorant. This is what I use for colors. You can also use mica powder if you want to, but I don't like to use mica because I realize when I use it, it kind of becomes a part of the scrub and it stands out too much. So the oil is just, it's much better for me, and that's what I use. Okay, you can see the final look right now. It's very pink. I love that shade. I got these little jars from Amazon as well. I've already washed them. I've seen people do videos like this and they don't sanitize their jars first. I don't trust that. Wash and sanitize anything that you're using for your products, whether you got it from Amazon or in your grocery store. Always make sure anything that can be cleaned and sanitized, you clean it and sanitize it, because you're sending these out to people and you do not want to harm anybody with your products. You want to make sure everyone receives the best of the products that you can give. That's it. So right now I'm just gonna fill in my little jars. These are also trials. I'm actually not selling these 3 jars. I'm using them for pictures, and maybe I'll post it in the video, but yeah, these are not what I'm selling exactly, but that is how I make my products. As I was saying, these are for product photography. That's why I'm taking these. I'm gonna add my labels in them eventually, and I'll probably show them to you in another video because I'm already editing this and I didn't do it yet. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want more of this. Thank you. Bye.